Hey guys, Her Weekend Crafts is back again with another super exciting DIY video, and I feel that this video might fascinate kids and crafters. So keep watching, share, like and hit the thumbs up. I am using the images that I had made in my last video, which was about pencil sketching and shading. If you have not viewed my earlier video, you can watch it now. The link is mentioned in the description below. So here we begin. Now in order to start the process, I will cut out the images very carefully, leaving at about 2 mm of white space around the images. Mind you, you should be a little cautious at this step, keeping in mind that you are cutting the image with 2 mm of white space from all the sides. Once the image is cut, in the next step, I am using dual-sided gum sheet, which can be easily peeled off, and also it is sticky from both the sides. So, first cut out the gum sheet of the size of the image. Now, by touching with your fingers, find out the smooth side of the gum sheet and peel off the paper from that side. Then stick the image as shown to the sticky side of the gum sheet very carefully. Press the image gently so that it sticks to the dual-sided sheet firmly, and cut out the extra gum sheet as per the shape of the image. You can always peel off the other side of the gum sheet to stick the sticker to any of the surface that you want. Also, if you feel that in the sticker there is some white space in between which is wide enough, you can cut it out using the sharp paper cutting knife at this point. Once that is done, we are left with the final step here, and for that I am using a normal cello tape which should be wide enough to appropriately fit in the images. Open some tape and stick the image to the tape upside down. That is, the colored side of the image should be towards the sticky side of the cello tape. Again, press the image gently over the tape so that it sticks firmly to the tape, and cut out the extra tape from all the sides of the image very carefully. I am using a paper cutting knife over here, but you can always use your pair of scissors or any other cutting tool. That's it. Our paper stickers are ready, and these stickers gives quite a satisfaction. Of course, because they are self-made and they are quite pleasing to watch as well. Also, these stickers can be used for card making, scrapbooking or any of the kids' projects. Wherever you feel like. They are just so adorable. Thanks for watching.